Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to download and install BeReal app. I will also show you one trick that you didn't know about BeReal at the end of this video. So the first thing we have to do here on Android, we can go to our Play Store right here and we can search for BeReal. As you can see right here, we search for BeReal, we click on BeReal, and here we can install our BeReal. Now, after installment, you will have to go through the sign up process and registration process. But as you can see, this is pretty much how to do it. Now, you can also, and this is one trick that I wanted to tell you guys about, you can also install BlueStacks on your computer and you can use BeReal on your BlueStacks on your computer. BlueStacks is basically Android emulator that allows you to install other apps from Android on your computer. So if you want to watch that tutorial is linked up in this corner in this YouTube video, so you can check it out. So that's basically how to install. After you install, you will be able to again go into your BeReal and use your BeReal like that. So that's pretty much how to install. It's really straightforward process. And yeah, if you have any questions regarding this, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.